Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about neutral styling, how to create looks that feel elevated, minimal, and intentional without ever feeling boring. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please like, comment, and subscribe so that we can grow the community and I can continue to make more of these videos. Now let's get into some looks. Since neutrals draw less attention than bold colors, silhouette becomes my storytelling tool. This is what gives the neutral dressing its quiet drama, the elegance of proportion rather than print. I'm playing with volume and proportions in this look. This khaki trench coat from COS in cotton is floor length on my 5'2" stature. I've tied the trench just in the back to accentuate the side pleating and give the jacket a dress-like flare from the waist down. What we have is a piece that looks like a traditional maxi trench in the front and a trench dress in the back. The front is clean lines and all of the drama is at the posterior. There's volume in the sleeves as well, being corralled by the belts at the cuff. I'm very happy I decided to purchase this piece. I debated for months before caving in. Now, underneath, I am wearing a cotton poplin maxi dress in gray that I made. This tent dress is subdued but not entirely free from drama in the silhouette, so I thought it would be at home with this jacket. I like the way gray and khaki work together. I'm wearing my Marsell ankle boots in tan. And when you're working with neutrals, accessories matter more, so I added a pop of contrasting brown with the leather bag that I made. It's less subtle and prevents the outfit from looking flat. I'm very happy with this look. I think it's very stylish and very subdued in a very beautiful and elegant way. Neutral tones are versatile. They're the foundation of a wardrobe that feels cohesive and calm. They complement each other effortlessly, which means you spend less time thinking about what goes together and more time focusing on shape, proportion, and texture. In this look, I have 3 colors working together to create visual balance. No single color competes for attention. Everything flows. I'm wearing this 100% wool funnel neck top by Eskandar in a bluish gray hue. It has a nice boxy shape that flows with my body. The black MANDRN bag is complementing the gray effortlessly. The wrap mini skirt by Manoogian is holding its own in this lovely tan color. The color and texture of the skirt is contrasting so beautifully with the smooth, black over-the-knee boots by Far. For this next look, I wanted to pair a neutral shirt with crisp elements to contrast with a knit fabric for depth. I'm wearing the Bantine cotton poplin shirt in white. This shirt is interesting because while there is a slight crispness to it, the waterfall design cascades along the sides to create flow. And then we have this navy Manoogian tier skirt in Pima cotton, offering a curtain-like visual at the bottom. Both items are doing this, almost like the curtains are pulled apart at the top and drawn closed at the bottom, if that makes sense. The boots are by Far. The bag is this blue obsidian leather bag that I made. I don't love this bag with this look. I meant to grab my true black leather crossbody pouch, but they look so similar that I didn't notice the difference until after filming. It's obvious here, but not so much indoors. And I added my Donna Karan trench coat to the look because it was a little chilly outside despite the sun being out. Here I'm wearing a beautiful wool button-down boxy top in a nice grayish beige color by Eskandar. I paired it with my 100% cotton black crane lantern skirt in khaki. I love this skirt, but there is a design flaw that results in the buttons at the yoke opening. This is not ideal. I've toyed with the idea of permanently closing the buttoned part and installing a side zipper because it's otherwise a very lovely skirt and worth the extra work. For now, I find myself wearing it with tops that are long enough to cover the button fly. Now, I love this outfit as is, but felt like it was a little too flat, so I thought a structured blazer would help add dimension. I added this khaki Lemaire double-breasted shawl blazer in 100% cotton. This jacket is a workhorse in my wardrobe. I've worn it with just about every textile and for nearly every occasion. The boots are by Marsell and the bag is handcrafted by me. I chose this bag for this look because there is a slight gloss to the leather and I thought it would be a nice contrast to the other textures at play. Neutral dressing isn't just about what you wear, it's about how it makes you feel. It's calm, composed, and confident. It's an aesthetic that whispers instead of shouts. And of course, we must address tonal dressing when wearing neutrals. Wearing multiple shades of the same color creates a sense of depth. For example, pairing this sage gray cotton trench coat by Donna Karan with this silk and cotton maxi dress, also by Donna Karan, in the varying gray tones is keeping this outfit from falling flat while maintaining harmony. I'm wearing my black Bifar boots and my MANDRN fanny pack for contrast. And just a quick word about Donna Karan. She's often credited for creating the original Capsule collection back in 1985. Karan launched the 7 Easy Pieces, which was a bodysuit, a tailored jacket, a skirt, pants, a cashmere sweater, a leather jacket, and an evening look, all intended to take a woman from day to night, home to office, and weekday to weekend. Her collection relies on a neutral color palette, so I appreciate that I bought these pieces independent of each other, and they are still so cohesive in tone. I think this outfit is quietly captivating, and I love it. This next look isn't groundbreaking. Classic Levi's 501 vintage jeans paired with black seems like a timeless combination, and if you do a quick search for blue jeans and black trench, the search results are endless. Where this outfit veers into newer territory is in the details of this trench coat by Bantine. The cotton jacket is constructed in a wrap style instead of buttons, and it feels just a bit less conventional to me. Bantine is an Italian fashion brand founded in 1992 by Manuela Arcari, known for its minimalist, avant-garde aesthetic and innovative tailoring. It blends masculine and feminine elements with clean lines, deconstructed silhouettes, and high-quality craftsmanship. I have a few pieces by this brand and each piece feels special. I'm wearing my Lemaire croissant bag in dark brown and my black Bifar boots. It's the simplest of all the looks, but it still has impact. Here I'm wearing this Pima cotton baby alpaca blend maxi dress by Manoogian in a neutral beige color. This is a simple t-shirt design, but it's allowing the textile to sing. I've added this Hervé Bernard floor length pea coat in this charcoal 100% wool material. The coat was made in the 70s and it's constructed beautifully. It's oversized on my frame, which was intentional as I like to layer sweaters underneath this coat. I decided to belt this coat by bringing the belt through the button loop for more stable placement. This ensures the belt doesn't slide down or shift around too much. The boots are by Pep Monjo and the bag is MANDRN. Similar to the COS jacket that I featured earlier, this jacket is really creating quiet drama and it's really driving the look in spite of its neutral tones. Proportion, texture, and a strong shoulder is really creating a lovely outfit that has impact. If you love the simplicity of neutral style, give this video a like and let me know your favorite neutral combination in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more styling content, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!